How to share your family tree in the forum. So right now I'm in the family tree forum, and I drew my family tree on paper and then took a picture of that paper, and now that picture is on my computer. So it looks something like this. So I'm ready to share it in the forum. So I'm going to scroll down and make sure that I read the instructions carefully. And it looks like some of my classmates already shared their family tree, which is great. That's interesting. I'll take a look at those later. I'm going to click the blue button, add a new discussion topic. And then I'm going to type the subject. I'm supposed to type my name and then family tree. So Natalie's family tree. And the instructions also say that I should type a sentence. This is my family tree in the message, period. And then I'm just going to press enter so I can go to the next line. Okay, now I am ready to share my family tree. So first I'm going to click on this button. It's the image button, and it has like a little picture of mountains and a sun. So that's the image button. I'm going to click this, and then it's not a website that I want a file on my computer to share. So I'm going to click Browse Repositories, this gray button. Okay, and then it will say Choose File because I want to upload a file from my computer. So I'll click here. And then I'm searching. I know I saved it in Downloads. Aha. So I need to search for the right file. Oh, feelings. No, that's not it. Ah, here we go. Natalie's family tree. Here is the photo of the family tree that I drew. So I'm going to click on this one and open it. And we'll just wait. Oh, yep. Okay, so there it is, Natalie's family tree. Then I'm going to click this blue button, upload this file. Okay. All right, wait a minute. Oh, there it is. Look at how big the image is, but that's okay. Look at this. All right, there it is. That is my family tree. Now I can describe the image. I can say family tree if I want, or I can just click this box that says this image is decorative only. Either way, it doesn't matter. Then I'm going to scroll down and click Save Image. And there we go. So we've got this is my family tree, and then we scroll down and we see that image, Natalie's family tree. So now I'm going to press the blue button, Post to Forum. And wait patiently. Okay. So it says your post was successfully added. You have 15 minutes to edit it if you want to make any changes. Okay, well, let's double check. The green message here means it's been successful, but let's just double check. Let's scroll down again. And oh, there we go. I just posted this, Natalie's family tree. And if I click on it to double check and scroll down a little bit again, we can see my writing. This is my family tree and my family tree image. So that is how you share your family tree in the family tree forum.